Yo, what's up? Louisianafat checking this thing, man. We got an awesome video for y'all today, and guess what? You are not the father.
Say to me, you ain't got to say to me.
Takara also had to tell her own boyfriend, Jason.
His cousin.
And that's his cousin?
I've been having an affair with Brittany's fiance for a year.
What?
The baby might not be yours.
Hey. Right.
Look at that cute little baby
In the
girl,
case
man.
of 5-month-old Amaya, Jason, you are not the father. And in the case of 5-month-old Amaya, Raymond, you are not.
There you go. Another track star. Look at them feet.
Amaya. Takara.
Takara, come on, it's gonna be okay.
Takara, we'll be glad to help you. If you want us to find the father, we will, Takara, okay? Now, your sister's here. Brittany, this is a time she needs her sister, okay?
Yes, sir.
No, but you slept with your sister, man, though. She's sorry now.
You know something? When it comes to 1-year-old Trenton, Mario, you are not the father.
Two for the niggas, one for the hoes.
This is your man. You share a child. He will be a father to this child. He said he would be a father to this child. Okay? All right?
She don't believe that.
He's not the father. He's not the birth father. But he's there every single day, okay? All right?
Might as well have the results. When it comes to 4-year-old Travion, remember, we're not talking about an infant now. This is a 4-year-old child. John, you are not the father. When it comes to 4-year-old Travion Andre, you are not the father. And when it comes to 4-year-old Travion Vincent, you are not.
Oh, 3 of them.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I don't want to be back here. No, let me go. Let me go.
Stop. It's okay. It's okay. I'ma still be here, man. I ain't going nowhere. Look at me, man. Look at me. I ain't going nowhere, man.
I love you, man.
I love you too.
I love you so much.
Andre,
I bet you do.
because I know you're going to be a father to this child no matter what. Okay?
I got you, man. I can't just leave you by yourself, man.
Let's.
Can't leave her by herself. You can't leave her by herself. Nigga, it seems like that's the problem. You been leaving her by herself too much. She got 5 niggas on stage trying to see who her baby dad is. She shouldn't be left alone, bro.
I just don't want you to say no.
When it comes to 1.5-year-old Hannah, Chris, you are not the father.
Oh, man.
So sorry. Oh my God.
What you crying for? Get up yourself.
You love that baby.
Oh my God.
That baby, that don't even know about what's going on.
You don't love that little girl because you're her biological father. That little girl.
Because I'm here for the can in the green room.
Want to change? There's no way my love can change with that one.
When it comes to 5-month-old Xavier,
You are the father.
Tom, you are not.
Look at Tom.
Don't run. No, Jan.
Get out my dead face.
Don't leave, Jan. Jan, don't leave. What you put me through? Put me through this. You better go check them other people, not me. Can I get an apology? Can I get an apology?
Yo,
What
I'm
you
for
put
real,
me
for real.
through?
Boy,
I'm
sit your
sorry,
ass.
but
He
yo,
done pissed me
Tom,
out. He
yo,
doing
you,
too
oh
much.
my God, yo, oh my God, Tom.
Okay.
Oh my God.
You don't know what
almost ruined my life.
They were.
You almost ruined my life with that.
In the case of 5-month-old Paisley, Seth, you are not.
Don't go.
But see, I want to hear that shit.
I had people telling me she slept with 7 other men.
Damn. 7?
If this is your child, you'll take responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Look at she already crying. She know who to put the butt.
When it comes to 3-month-old Braden, Sean, you are not.
Let's go track star. She gone out of there. Oh, she gone. She going to the parking lot.
This is for all you teenagers. Because Aisha's 18 years old.
I thought Diamond was a stand-up guy. I thought he was honest and caring and really cared about me. But when I found out I was pregnant, he had lied to me at first and said he wore a condom, which he did, but he had took it off and he lied to me about it. He hasn't done anything for my baby. I asked him to get his baby some formula and he told me no. It's because of him that she's here. She didn't ask to be born. She didn't ask to be put here on this earth.
When it comes to 3-month-old Christiana, Diamond, you are not.
I mean, daddy.
Where you going? What you running for? Huh? I'm not the father, bitch.
Diamond's not the dad.
Oh my goodness, this is so.
I've got the picture.
6-month-old Cameron, Brad, you are not.
Yes, your mama was right,
You're a lying little slut. You're a lying
Your
little.
mother's intuition.
We'll be glad to help you if you want us to. If you are seek
No,
another.
because I know who the father is. You know, if it's not him, then it's the other guy. That's the only other person I've been with.
Thank you.
Now you know your dad is. Come on, G.
Because I know, you know about being a family. I know that if this is your child, you'll help with this child.
Of course.
Say,
Here we go.
go. Say, Maury, folks, we don't need you to tell us to be daddy's dog. It's his decision if he gonna be there or not, G. We don't need you to tell us what the fuck we gonna do. You know what I'm saying? I just believe they up for the free testing and goddamn way. But you can shut the fuck up.
When it comes to 3-month-old Caden, Mario, you are not the father.
Oh, she knew anyway. Look at the smirk on her face. Look. That smirk on her face. Look at it. Look at it right here. Look at it. See that smirk? She already knew, dog. Look at that. You see that? You see that right there? That's the face of a bitch who already knew that you wanted dad and was going with her move, bro. Now she gonna proceed to talk shit. Look at. What I tell you. Yeah, now you ain't gotta take care. Oh, what we here for then, bitch? If he ain't gotta take care of the child, why y'all there? But you wanted something.
Be glad to help you.
Bitch, you ain't glad. Don't nobody want to get on there and look like that.
You are
multiple
not.
people and drop their children off at your pool. Oh yeah, he wild. That boy wild man know
you. Jeremy, you are not. Told you! I knew it! In the case of 3-year-old Dorisha, Edward, you are not.
You know what?
What I tell you? But it don't matter though. It don't matter though. What I tell you?
Oh, you trying to stay there? He must stay with her.
What I tell you?
He ain't trying to get put out.
What I tell you? What I tell you?
Mike, please. I'm sorry.
What I tell you?
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
I mean, don't get me wrong though, Maury.
I respect
You
that.
two love
She the first one I heard say
You
that.
two love each other?
Of course I'm gonna have a turn. Look at me. Look at me.
Hold on, what she said?
Okay. Whatever.
She said you look
Kids,
good.
I look good. Of course I'm gonna have a turn. Look at me. Look at me. I'm fine. Look good. Of course I'm gonna have a turn. Look at me.
No, you don't.
Of course I'm gonna have a turn. Look at me. Look at me. I'm fine. Okay.
Like a J.
Whatever. Look, Mom, Dad, what can I do about that? I'm not daddy. Daddy need to be a daddy and raise his kids.
Shit, he ain't neither.
Of 3-year-old Jeremiah, William, you are not.
What a daddy. He said he wanted daddy.
Where you at, baby?
Yeah, I like when they go back there and talk that shit.
You still gonna take the paper down there?
I like it.
Yeah, you still gonna take it down there?
Take the paper down there?
No, man.
It's not his. In the case of 2-year-old Darjavian, Tristan, you are not the father.
Yeah. He psyched that. What are you doing?
Very sorry.
This nigga would have said it
We'll be
already.
glad to help
That
you,
would have been.
but he's not the father.
He
Unfortunately,
ain't the same, bro.
you are not.
Nope. No. Oh, man.
Me for the simple fact she wants her sister's life, which is me. Point blank and simple. She wishes she had.
Oh, so
1-year-old Emil, Prince, you are not.
And while you was doing all that up there. Yeah.
1-year-old
He bad on
Joel,
the feet too.
Duck.
And that boy.
you are not.
He out on the floor with it. Yeah. That boy, yeah, like, yeah. Well, that concludes today's episode of Keep Your Panties Up on That Ass.